Hey, Shelly Hopkins here, and I am so excited. I'm going to tell you about Jordan Mederich, the core. I promise you, you're going to love this. One sec. Hey, Shelly. Okay, are you ready? I'm just ready to dig into this because you're going to love it. You're going to love it. I love the core, and I know you're going to love it too. First of all, I'm Shelly Hopkins, and if you're new to my channel, I am telling you about motivation, online marketing, and affiliate marketing. So if you're into any of that or you need help with it, subscribe to my channel and you'll be able to see more and more of my videos. And if you get anything out of them, I would appreciate a big thumbs up. Okay, are you ready? Okay. First, I wanted to tell you that before I found out about the core, I had signed up for ClickFunnels, and you need ClickFunnels. Overall, you need some kind of funnel if you're going to be in business online and you really want to get somewhere. I'm just being honest with you. So, anyways, I was looking to some of the funnels. You get a lot provided for you and everything, but there were some that, I wanted more advanced, really cool funnels. You know what I'm saying? And I checked into having them built for me because I know how to do it. It's not that hard. For some funnels, you just click, but there is a learning curve, and I do have issues from time to time, in some things. But it's like expensive, really expensive. I mean, it seriously ranges from like $300 to $5,000 for people to build funnels, and I learned later, there's different levels of funnels. And the more levels there were, the more intense and everything, the more expensive that they were. I mean, it was crazy. So I was like, okay, I'm going to become a funnel expert because I'm not paying. Anyways, my coach for ClickFunnels had told me about Jordan. This is Jordan right here. Hey, Jordan. I love this man. And that he had the program, the core. I was like, what? And, I don't need, because there's a monthly fee, but it's so cheap for what we get. But he was telling me about it and everything. I'm like, okay, that sounds pretty cool. So I started really checking into it and checking into him. And I have been on it since the beginning, since he first started. Just, I don't know, 5 months, 6 months now, I don't remember. But oh my goodness. I mean, it is so awesome that I think now it's like $100 a month. And he is talking about, I think he's going to make it maybe $299 a month, $250 a month. But it's going to go up. It's going to go up because it's awesome. And that's what he said, he's gotten so much feedback and so many people want it. I mean, I think he had like 300 the first week. Don't quote me on that. But anyways, so I was telling you about the funnel thing because everybody has their favorite things that has to do with the core, but that is one of mine. It's not my favorite thing. I'll tell you about that. But it is one of my favorite things because we get a funnel built, like an awesome funnel, at least once a month. He gives it to us. We get email swipes. We get support. We get help. We get to be part of his online community and Facebook, where everybody is there for each other and asks questions and helps and guides, and they really do. They are amazing. I had a lot of issues in my first funnel that he put out. It was mainly issues they were stupid. The hard stuff I seem to can figure out, but the easy stuff, oh my gosh. So anyways, but they all, heck yeah, we'll help you. That's awesome. But anyways, okay, I just wanted to tell you that because he actually cares. He cares about us. He cares about people succeeding. Let me tell you just this real quick. He talks about a 5-year plan. I'll just spin me back. And, you know, where he doesn't, don't just think about now. You know, he tells us, you know, think about the future. You know, he has his lives and he teaches us good stuff. And it's not just one of those boring, oh my gosh. Like I see his live come up in our group, I'm like, oh, heck yeah. Because I'm going to learn something today. And but he has like a 5-year plan and he tells us, you know, where we need to focus on, what we need to do. I mean, I have never seen anyone besides my ClickFunnels coach. This is, you can message me. You can message me if you have any questions or help. Okay, who does that? Okay, this is his thing. It's the core. He says we can message him directly. So that tells you something right there. I mean, he excuse me, but he actually gives a crap. He really does. You know, so I just wanted to point that out there because he is there for you. He's there for me. You know, he tells us, you know, that we have a future, how we can make money, how we can help people, and not just now. Okay? Now I'll minimize myself. Okay. All right. Check this out. Okay. Core members, new content will be released regularly. It's so funny because, like, right before I hit record, I seriously just got an email, and it's, here's your copy of the 24-hour product launch secret guide. And I think it's a funnel that has under a full course to learn how to profit from your passion in just one day. And it says, download the guide. But I get it because I'm part of the core. I'm telling you, I just got it right before I record. I'll tell you more about it, but I didn't read through it because I was doing the video. But it's awesome. We get all kinds of stuff. Funnels. Here's our funnels. This is cool. This right here, I'm actually working on right now. He says ClickFunnels course, but it's not just ClickFunnels course. I mean, it teaches you ClickFunnels, but he has in there how you can integrate your webmail. Most people don't know how to do that. I get a bunch of questions. How to integrate your webmail. I mean, it teaches you about text messaging and, you know, how to expand. It teaches you, I'm trying to think, how about, there's way more in there than you would think. Let's just, okay. Oh, here's right here. The types of funnels, the email that's in ClickFunnels, backpack, third-party integration, ClickFunnels tips and tricks. There's a bunch of stuff, and then it like also there's a couple of these that I did not have, and as an affiliate, I was like, oh yeah, I needed to use that. I forgot all about that. So as I was going through it, I'm like, oh yeah, I went ahead and signed up, and then also became an affiliate of it because I'm like, I need that in my business. So I mean, not only could we use this, you know, to help other people. I mean, he says we can use it and change it however we want, you know, so we can use it as an opt-in, which is what I'm doing, or bonus or something like that, because it's also white labeled. It's really cool, and it's taken me a while to do because it has so much to go through. I mean, as a person watching it, because I'm not going to put it out there if I don't watch it. And then it has so many affiliates that we can put in there that can help us and help other people too. Oh my gosh, his funnels, wow, they're great. The OneFunnelAwayChallenge. I mean, it has there's a trip. We can help give away like trips. People do the OneFunnelAwayChallenge. That's so cool. That is so cool. The compliance funnel. I watched this video, and all funnels need this. And a lot of people are doing it wrong and can get in trouble. And with the compliance funnel, it helps you and shows you exactly, and he gives the stuff to you. He gives it to you. You just copy and paste. And if you need to change like any wording, you just change your wordings. So all your funnels and everything you have in your business will be compliant. Yeah, that was smart of him to do. The 24, this is cool. 24-hour product launch bonus course. This is the first thing that I did when I first signed up for the course. I learned so much. This course alone, I mean, he could sell for $1,500, $2,000. I'm serious. It was really, really good. I actually, now that I'm looking at it again, I could go through it again. It was good. It was good. The affiliates is good too because he is an affiliate. So when we are an affiliate for him, we get 40% too. So we get $40. At least right now, because they're saying his program is probably going to go up, which means we'll probably get more money. But who wants to promote something that's sucky and doesn't work? This works. This is awesome. And of course, I keep talking about the funnels, but there's support. There's our Facebook group. Okay. You know, I told you I was going to tell you my favorite thing. Okay. I really, really like that he himself cares. Okay. He genuinely cares. Okay. And of course, it's obvious. I've been talking so much about the funnels. You can tell what I love. But you know what my favorite part is? Support. I mean, what software has support? I mean, when you have, you know, monthly fees or something like this, either there's no support or the support sucks. Okay. His support is honestly, it's the best support I have seen because I wrote his name down so I would not forget it. Ernest, and his last name is C-H-U-A. I don't want to mess that up. But he's there to help with anything. And if you was to ask him who is Shelly Hopkins, he's gonna be like, "Oh my gosh, I know that girl," because he's helped me so much. I've even went in on our Facebook group and said, "This guy rocks. I thank you. He's amazing." And there's one thing I had so many problems with, and I just kept asking him, "I'm sorry, I don't get it. I don't get it. Please don't be mad at me." And he's, "No, no, no, no. You can ask me anything you want." So for me, that is my favorite thing. This is my number one favorite thing. I mean, support. You know, a lot of times people just throw something out there and expect you just to understand it and do it. Anyways, so in a nutshell, really that's the core. But they get the funnels. We can be an affiliate. We have support. See if I forgot anything. He supplies traffic. He teaches us about traffic. A lot of people don't know anything about traffic, and he shows us how to do it. And one time he did a thing where he came on and told us about how he was doing the research for us, and you know where was the best place where we could pull our traffic from and everything. Just specifics. I don't know what it was. Anyways, and coaching, he'll tell you not just support, but they supply our coaching for us too. So they are there. He himself is there. So which I think is very important. It's important to me. So anyways, a lot of people don't know about the core because it hasn't been out very long, but more people need to know about the core because it's great and it can help you in your business, but not just help you in your business. It can do like it did for me. It helped me with my stress level because I was having issues with the funnel. I didn't have any support. And the person I signed up in our ClickFunnels, I was bugging to death. Bless his sweetheart. So that's why I wanted to come out here and tell you about the core. Also, let me tell you, if you do sign up for the core, I have a bunch of bonuses. There's a bunch. You can email me at Shelly@ShellyHopkins.com. I can send you a list if it's not below here. See a follow-up, mega software, the bundle, the whole tier 5 software, bonus rights. So then if you get in on here, then you can turn around and you can use all of these too as bonuses. Contact, leads, invoicing you, magic zap, sticky review, link wizard, and you can see how much These would normally cost you monthly. If you do have ClickFunnels, I have tons of funnels that I'm going to give you. I mean, I don't have to do this. I wanted to do this because not only will you have his funnels, this will give you anything else that you needed on top of it. And remember, you have support. So you get all of this when you do just use my affiliate link to sign up for the course. So anyways, if you have any problems or you have any questions, there's no stupid question. Don't hesitate. Just put it in the comments. And do me a favor, if you got anything out of this, please give me a thumbs up again. And if you would like to see more videos like this, subscribe. And I will put in the comments about the core. Thanks, guys.